Uh. Yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be painting this Dwarf Demon Seeker miniature from Highland Miniatures. Highland Miniatures offers some amazing STLs, and this Dwarf Seeker is an absolute amazing one. It's almost like a mini diorama. So enough said, let's get straight into the painting. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on the skin of the dwarf and his beard and hair. So to start off the skin, I'm going to use model color rose brown and game color gory red. About 4 parts rose brown to 1 part gory red. Remember, gory red is a very strong color. Mix small amounts of it until you're happy with the color you have. And I'm going to base the entire skin of the dwarf in this color. At this early stage of painting, don't worry if you overspill in any other areas. We can come back and clean it up later with other colors. When my base coat of rose brown and gory red mix has dried, I'm going to come in and add another drop of rose brown to lighten up the color. I'm going to use this to glaze in all the higher points on the skin of the model. And once each layer has dried, I'll add another drop of rose brown into the mix and highlight again, until I get to a point where I'm using pure rose brown. After the layer of pure rose brown has dried, I'm going to come in and add a drop of Vallejo model color Light Flesh. I'm going to use this as my extreme highlights to paint in all the peaks of each of the muscle groups. I'll only be doing 2 layers of this, one progressively brighter than the last. On my second layer, I'll be focusing on edge highlights, especially on the hands and feet. Now to paint in the iconic orange hair and beard. I'm going to start off with a Dial-O-Rani ink, Flame Orange. I made a little bit of a mistake by using just pure ink on the hair. So later on I will come back in and add a little bit of Inferno Orange from P3, just to mix it in and thicken it up a little bit. And then I'm going to be painting all the hair and the beard. Be careful when you're around the skin area so you don't overspill. For my first highlight on the hair, I'm going to use pure Inferno Orange from P3. I'm going to focus this color on the areas that are hit by light. And I'm going to do an edge highlight style painting, where I'm going to pick out every individual strand that I can see. The good thing with this miniatures that Highland have made, you can actually see the individual strands, so it's very easy to paint. You just have to take your time, be patient. The results are worth it. I forgot to press record on this part, but all I did was paint Agric's Earthshade in the beard and hair. I just felt that it needed to be a bit more darker, have a little bit more contrast. Now that it has and it's dried, I'm very happy with the way it's looking. For the second highlight on the hair, I'm going to be mixing 50-50 Inferno Orange from P3 and Yellow Orange from Joe Saunders. With this highlight, I just painted areas I felt that needed more visual interest. Didn't matter if the hair was in a bit more shaded areas, I still painted it in if I felt it needed to be lighter. This will be my final highlight for the hair. you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this first part of the video. I'll be releasing the second part very soon, so stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like me to cover, please leave it in the comments below. And I'll see you all in the next video.
Seems like everybody